Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here with hashtag Coloring Party with Friends 2025. This is an open collaboration hosted by Jamie of Disney and Coloring with Jamie and co-hosted by Crafting with Pat and more. They will be linked, of course, down below, either in the title or the top of the description box, depending on how much room is in the title. Anyway, we're on the second page in this book. You do not have to use this book, but this is the book that Jamie selected, and it's like the follow-on to the Watermelon Bold and Easy book from they recently finished. I haven't finished it yet because I started in it late. But this is the second week, and I'm going to try and keep up this time. So let me flip open to the page. Oh, for this one, I just got these and I wanted to try them, so I used almost exclusively these. I did use a little bit of, I think, glitter pen and acrylic marker just in one little area. So I'll show that to you. And as far as these, they color fine, but you know, they're not, you can't sharpen these. They twist out. And so the point is a little bit flat, dull, so they're not the best for small areas, which fortunately there weren't too many small areas on the page that we did. So yeah. So here it is. It was this ship and or boat with the lifesaver. And I used a sort of a teal and a blue together. It looks more of the teal. Oh, I also used a little bit of white Jelly Roll pen on the splashes and the foam of the waves, right? And then the sky, because I made the boat blue, because today is Memorial Day here in the United States. Let's remember all of those who made the ultimate sacrifice to keep this country's freedom, hopefully for a while longer. Anyway, because I made the boat blue and red and white, I didn't want to have the sky blue. Plus, I put lights on in this boat in the windows. So I thought, well, what am I going to do? I thought about making it black and have like or a very dark blue, but I didn't really. I used purple, a dark purple, and some blue, I think, and a little bit of yellow, actually, some glow in there. And it's okay. It's not my favorite, but I think looking at it through the screen, it's okay. I did use white gel pen in here too, and a little bit of, I think, red metallic on this to make it look a little shinier. But all the rest, all the coloring is from the twistables, so I got to play with those. And this, I wrote the date. Today is May 26th. I actually colored this on the 25th, but I dated it today because that's when the collab video is going up on Mondays. So let's see what next week is. I haven't looked yet, I don't think. Oh, and the little bit of glitter pen. I tried to make this look sort of like an American flag. It has 13 dots instead of the circle of the original flag. And I tried to do the red and white, but it kind of got blurred into looking pink. So, but anyway, you know, you're seeing it from a distance, right? All right, we have a pair of what I think of as Converse highs, right? You know, I've seen a lot of coloring books. Not my favorite page, but I'll do them. I'll make them pretty or something. So yeah, that's the page for next week. So come back and see what I managed to do for that. All right. And that's all for right now. So please go check out Jamie and Pat. They do a lot of open collabs and a lot of other things as well. And I know Jamie has at least one other channel. I think it has to do with reviews, like movie reviews and things. So yeah, go check that out too. All right, guys, that's all for now. Take care. Have a have a wonderful Memorial Day. And like I said, remember those who made the ultimate sacrifice for us. And I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.